Hello everybody, today we're going to see this beautiful stitch, precisely the crazy shell stitch, often called the brick stitch, but this gets confusing because there are different stitches by the name of the brick stitch. So for this tutorial I'm going to call simply the crazy stitch. We're going to start by learning how to work the crazy stitch. So we're going to start by making a foundation chain that is a multiple of 3 plus 1. So we're going to make 19, for example, chains. And 19. Now we're going to skip 3 stitches, and in the fourth we're going to make 3 double crochets. And 3. This stitch is considered to be a member of the shell stitch family. So now we're going to skip 3 stitches, and in the fourth we're going to make a simple crochet, 3 chains, and 3 double crochets in the same chain. Again, we're going to skip 3 chains, and in the fourth we're going to make a simple crochet, then 3 chains, and in the same stitch we're going to make 3 double crochets. And we're going to finish the row by making a simple crochet in the last chain, and then we're going to make 3 chains and turn the work. Now from now on, and for the rest, for all the rows of the work, we're going to work the second row. So we're going to make 3 double crochets in this place where we have worked the simple crochet in the previous row. And then we're going to pass to the first. Then we're going to work here in the space we have created by working the 3 chains in the previous row. So in each space of these spaces we're going to make a simple crochet, 3 chains, and 3 double crochets. in the same stitch, in the same space. And now in the next space of chain 3 we're going to make a simple crochet again, 3 chains and 3 double crochets. And we're going to finish the row by making a simple crochet here, and then again we're going to make 3 chains. If we want to continue, 3 chains, and now we are going to work here where we have worked the simple crochet stitch, 3 double crochets. And we're going to pass to work into the three chain spaces here, a simple crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochets. We just repeat the row 2 for the rest of our work. And to the next, we pass into the next 3 chains space, simple crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochets in the same space here, in the space of 3 chains we have worked in the previous row. And again we're going to finish the row by making and we're going to finish the row by making a simple crochet here where we have worked 3 chains in the previous row. And again, if we want to continue, 3 chains, and we turn our work and we work here 3 double crochets here where we have worked the simple crochet at the end of the previous row, 3 double crochets, and then we pass into the chain 3 spaces to work a simple crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochets. And then we're going to pass to the next 3 chain space of the previous row, and that is the way we work this crazy shell stitch. And again, as I've said, here in the space we have worked 3 chains in the previous row. We're going to work again a simple crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochets, and that's it all for the stitch, the crazy shell stitch. And we go to close here where we have worked the 3 chains in the previous row, and and make a simple crochet, and then if we want to continue, 3 chains and again 3 double crochets here, and then we're going to again to work into the spaces, the 3 chain spaces of the previous row. Here again chain simple crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochets, and so forth and so on. Here it is. This is the stitch, the shell, the crazy shell stitch. Thank you for being with me. Till next time. Bye.